Good evening, subscribers, all 233 of you. So tonight, another bit of future-proofing on my Caponord, so it doesn't leave me stranded on the side of the desert road or a mountain road. What I'm going to do is, my side stand switch actually does work, and it is made as I'm demonstrating, and I have waterproofed the switch. I don't know if you're aware, but the switch actually down here, which is tucked away here, this switch here, I have actually had mine repaired with RTV from my son, which was rather nice of him. But it can leave you stranded. There's two circuits for the switch. It goes to the dashboard for the light, and then it has another circuit that goes to the starter pack or diode pack up here. Basically, it's a selection of electronic one-way valves, which is linked with your clutch, your gear lever, so you don't basically drive off, put it in gear. It basically cuts the bike out if you put it in gear with the side stand down. So if you fit this switch eliminator, you won't have that function. So you have to have your brain switched on all the time, because you won't have the you can wire it so that you can have the switch working on the dash, and it's permanently switched on the starter diode pack. But I bought this on eBay, and to be honest, you could make that. And basically what one does is follow the cabling here from the switch up here, and you're looking for a 3-pin connector, which I think is this connector here. Yeah, that's it. So and then if I disconnect it like so and insert this into here, you don't actually have to do this. You could, like I say, you could link this out yourself, but I can always put this to OEM. So that's the bypass in. So now if we switch her on, it should show the lamp works, okay, which it does. Okay, the lamp has gone out, and if we just go back here, you can see my side stand is down and my side stand is up. Okay, so I'm going to put it down again now with boot. So, and it is not working. So if I turn that on, obviously I've got no fuel, so all my bike is going to do is turn over. So this will prove that obviously it has the starting circuit. So job done. So it's just one of those little things that isn't going to leave me stranded on the side of the road. So I've done all the fuel pipes inside the tank and externally. They shouldn't break. You know, I should get a few good years out of those with the E10 fuel. I've done the valves. I put the valves in the middle of the adjustment, and then that way, with high temperatures, low temperatures, they should always be in the ballpark, and I shouldn't have a too high a gap or a too smaller gap with the valves. Somebody did ask me why I'd done that, and I was advised by one of my subscribers who I know that that's what they used to do on the BMW S54 M3 engines. Always put them in the middle. So I'm really glad I've done that. So the valves are done, the fuel pipes are done, the side stand switch is done. I could change the clutch release bearing. It's a nice, cheap, easy fix. Most of you will do that in a little bit. If there's anything else you can think of that I need to do to this bike to future-proof it, we are looking to do a couple of trips to Europe on the bike this year, Spain and Italy. So I'm just trying to, make it as reliable as it can be. I've got to stop saying as well. But thanks for watching. I hope that helps. You don't need the switch, but I just thought I'd buy it and try it. I managed to find it relatively cheap for £5 on eBay. There are some that are more money, but at least with that I can then put it back to original if I wanted to. I mostly report back that I drove off with my side stand down and it buckarooed me off my bike or something. But yeah, it's another job done, and literally with the tank off, as you saw, it's a 2-minute job. So good night.